Interesting fact, the condom as we know it was invented in the 16th century. The first samples were made of the sheep intestine, but it's even more interesting and useful to know how to use it. Condoms help you protect you and your partner against STDs and unwanted pregnancy, and that's how you use it. Just before your sexual intercourse, take the condom in your hands and check the integrity of the package. When you apply pressure to the package, your fingers should feel the presence of the air inside. Remove the condom from the package after you open it with your hands or another body part that does not have sharp edges. It's unacceptable to open the package with your mouth unless it's toothless. Release the air from the sperm reservoir by squeezing it with your fingers. Keep that squeeze and put the condom on the penis. Relax your fingers. Roll the condom down the entire length of the penis, all the way to the base. Once the intercourse is over, remove the penis from the vagina or the anus and withdraw the condom. Tie the open end in the knot. To avoid STDs and unwanted pregnancy, you may repeat the intercourse only after washing the penis. And here is how to do it the wrong way. Have oral and anal sex without the condom. Put the condom on during the intercourse. Put the condom on just before the ejaculation. Don't roll the condom all the way down, so there is a good chance it comes off anytime. Apply lube to the penis under the condom, as it also helps the condom to come off easily. Use 2 condoms at the same time, so that the friction rips them apart. Don't let the air out of the sperm reservoir. It has to be the reason the condom breaks right after the ejaculation. Don't care to store your condoms safely, don't check the expiry dates, let it break or get covered in tiny cracks. Unroll the condom completely before you press it against the tip of the penis. Put the condom on the penis wrong side, then switch to the right side and put it on again. You better replace it with a fresh one. Use the condom again after you wash it. The condom is a one-time use product. If you want to get early access and motivate us to create new videos, you may support us on boosty.to or donationalerts.com. Also, subscribe on our Telegram channel. You will find links in the info below. Thank you for watching. Have nice sexual intercourses.